So in this video, I will teach you how to create moon paste soulmate with CapCut. So as you can see here on TikTok, the moon paste trend is something that you can see that there's two moons combining in one. So in order to create that, we just need to head over to our Google first or to any browser of your choice and search for Moonjoy. As you can see here is Moonjoy, just search for that. And you can see here the moon phase calculator. So you just need to click that and this page will pop up. So what you have to do next is to click and choose the month that you want to put in here. It can be your lover's birthday or your anniversary. It can be your birthday or anything like that. So in here we'll put our birthday first. And choose the I'm not a robot, so you need to answer that and this will appear. So you just need to download that, and the next thing you need to do is put here your partner's birthday. For example, that's his birthday, and click on the I'm not a robot again, and then the moon will appear like that. You just need to download it again. So earlier I have already downloaded two moons prior to this video. So what you do next is head over to TikTok, search moon paste trend, and you can see here a lot of videos that are doing this trend. So just click any of them. Let's choose this, and then click this CapCut, try this template. Click that and click this use template in CapCut. So now, just click this use template again. Choose the photo that you want to add. So this is the photo that I've already downloaded earlier. Click on preview. And as you can see in here, the moons are slowly merging. Once you're done, you just need to click this export right there. Click on export without watermark. And this will export and we will automatically switch to TikTok. So just wait for a while. And now we've been redirected to TikTok. Just click on next. Put here your caption, and once you're done, you just need to click on post right here. And your video will be uploaded. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.